Biokovo Skywalk. A main attraction in the Makarska Riviera region, nestled in the heart of the majestic Biokovo Mountain, the Biokovo Skywalk offers an unforgettable experiences. This awe-inspiring glass walkway, perched 1228 meters above sea level, stretches out from the cliffside, giving visitors the sensation of walking on air. The panoramic view from the skywalk is simply breathtaking, offering a stunning vista of the Adriatic Sea, the Makarska Riviera, and nearby islands. On clear days, you can even see Italy in the distance. The skywalk is part of the Biokovo Nature Park, a protected area known for its rugged beauty, unique plants, and wildlife. The combination of the transparent floor and the sweeping views creates a thrilling yet serene experience for anyone who visits. It's a place where nature and adventure meet, providing an exhilarating perspective on the landscape below. If you decide to visit the skywalk, be sure to buy your tickets a few days beforehand, as the number of entries are limited. Tickets are sold online via the official site of the Biokovo National Park. You cannot go there without registering online, as they only allow to enter 20 cars per hour. The easiest way to get to the skywalk is from Makarska. Head to the main park entrance, show your tickets, then follow the ascending one-way road till you reach the top. The journey to the Biokovo Skywalk is an experience in itself, as the scenic road leading up the mountain offers some of the most spectacular views in Croatia. Winding through the rugged terrain of Biokovo Nature Park, the road provides breathtaking vistas of the Adriatic coastline and charming villages below. As you ascend, the landscape changes dramatically, with sharp cliffs and lush greenery framing the route. Along the way, there are several viewpoints where you can stop, take photos, and soak in the stunning surroundings before reaching the skywalk. In recent years, the Biokovo Skywalk area faced a significant challenge when a wildfire broke out near the park. The fire, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds, spread quickly through parts of the mountainous landscape. Thankfully, due to the swift response from firefighters and emergency services, the blaze was brought under control, minimizing damage to the natural environment and ensuring the safety of visitors. However, burned areas still serve as a reminder of the region's vulnerability to such natural disasters, especially during the hot, dry summer months. Once you reach the top, the skywalk is just a short walk from the parking area, making it accessible to visitors of all ages. The best time to visit is early in the morning or late afternoon, when the crowds are lighter and the sun casts a magical glow over the landscape. If you're looking for an adventure that blends adrenaline with breathtaking beauty, the Biokovo Skywalk is a must-see on your Croatian journey. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.